On the morning of day 2, Whale Song alters course to the southeast to round Cape Leeuwin, 24 hours after our departure from Fremantle. Cape Leeuwin is one of the famous Southern Ocean capes, along with Cape Horn and the Cape of Good Hope. Whale Song has now completed her 4th rounding of this cape and continues east along the south coast of Western Australia. Early on day 3, Whale Song passes West Cape Howe, Eclipse Island and Albany, then alters course towards Cape Catastrophe on the Eyre Peninsula, 900 nautical miles due east. More on Cape Catastrophe later. This course takes Whale Song past Bremer Canyon and over deep ocean waters. The weather, although overcast but with light winds, is favorable for a fast passage.
Well, here we are on day 3. We've continued with our plan of following the Leeuwin Current around. It's actually given us a pretty good boost. We're probably a half a day ahead of our schedule right now thanks to its push. We've decided that we're going to do a little exploring into the deep water. The Leeuwin Current sweeps up and around into the top of the bight. We've decided to go and investigate what's going on in this cold water plume that's coming up from the deep Southern Ocean.
Shortly after lunch, the first whale is sighted.
That way there's the footprint there, so there's that's below 6, looks like a sperm whale, so we'll see what it gets. On the nav computer you can see our track line is this red line. This is our boat here, and we're just in the southern part of the Bremer Canyon. We just crossed the 4,000 metre contour. Incredibly deep water here. Just a half an hour ago we saw a sperm whale, a very large male sperm whale, and it spent 23 minutes at the surface. We saw 10 blows in the first surfacing and then another 18. And then with a massive fluke up dive, the whale dived down. They'll spend 1 to 2 hours underwater hunting, and we've just heard those hunting calls, and they'll stay down to about 3 kilometres, which is fantastic because this is 3 or 4 kilometres deep water here.
Whale Song's voyage east is part logistics and part science. She is taking part in an important Australian naval exercise as a quiet listening ship. While traversing over 2,000 nautical miles to reach the exercise, Whale Song and her team of scientists are collecting other types of information useful to the Navy and the scientific community. The science of sound in the oceans is a study the Defense Department and the nation's scientists are intensely interested in. Australia is at the forefront of this discipline due to its use of sonobuoys for passive listening, and now, thanks to Whale Song, we are coming to understand what biological and physical factors make up the mysterious underwater soundscape all around Australia.
Then we put a couple of sonobuoys down, and the animal was doing continuous codas, apparently hunting for some squid. And we heard a couple of big bangs, and he might have got lucky and got some lunch. Particularly big sperm whale, one of the biggest we've ever seen. He was easy 60 foot, maybe 65 foot long. That's 18 to 20 meters, maybe a little bit longer. So he's a very, very big animal, and very excited to see him in this now cold water. It's gone from 22 degrees in the Leeuwin Current, nice and warm, tropical stuff. We're at 15 degrees now.
So this is a hunting call. So it's a big lone male foraging.
Yeah.
Out here in the deep water, we're in about 3,200 meters.
That's pretty good, actually.
Really cool. It's so great we found it out here in the deep water.
Just strong. It started
And
again.
So you can really realise why they call them carpenter fish. Clang, clang, bang, bang.
Sounds like an air hammer. This is the modern one.
Yeah. Wow.
It's a very pneumatic sound, isn't it?
That's great.
So these calls are going from anywhere from down to around 500 hertz. This would be the bottom of them. The center is around 2,500 hertz. And we're getting them going through. It's a loud clap, so it's kind of broadband. It's going up to around 15,000 hertz.
The exploration of the ocean soundscape will shape Whale Song's travels for many years to come.